To link a button to a page in Squarespace, start by logging into your account and navigating to the website where you want to add the button. Click Edit to enter editing mode. Then click Add Block to add a new block to your page. Select the Button option from the list of blocks, and a button will appear on your page with various options above it. To style the button, click the brush icon in the top right corner. Then select Button from the style options to choose a style that fits your design, such as primary, secondary, or tertiary. You can adjust the button's placement on the page by dragging it to your desired location. Next, click on the button itself to bring up the button settings. Then click the pencil icon to edit the button. In the settings, you can change the button's text by entering a new name in the text field. To link the button to a page, find the link option in the settings and enter the URL of the page you want the button to link to, which can be an internal page on your Squarespace site or an external URL. After entering the link, click Save or Apply to save your changes. The button is now linked to the desired page, and clicking it will direct users to the specified URL.